In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the icon of a shortcut in Windows 11. So the first thing you have to do, you must find your shortcut. So as you can see here, I have a shortcut to Visual Studio Code. Type is shortcut, so of course that's obvious. And I'm going to make it a bit bigger so you can see it better. There we go. You want to select it, right click on the shortcut, and then you want to go to Properties. Inside Properties, you want to go on the shortcut and then click on Change Icon down here at the bottom. When you click on this, it's going to basically show you a selection of icons. However, sometimes there's just one. Now, if this happens, there's actually an option to change it very easily. Just click on Browse over here, and you can just go into whatever you want here. So, for example, if I go into, let's say, Home tab, I can just click on something very random over here, and then it's going to say that there's an error. So we want this error, so just click on something random, click on OK, and then it's going to basically pop up a bunch of different icons you can use for the shortcut. Now, to use these, you can just click on a specific icon, click on OK, and then apply and OK again. And as you can see, it's going to change it over here, and the icon has been changed. Now, again, you can go ahead and do a custom icon as well. If I go to Properties in here, and if I click on Change Icon, what you can do here is also get a custom one by clicking Browse and then searching for it on your computer. Let me show you how to actually do this. Now, the first way is you could go ahead and go online and just find any files which are .ico. So the extension must be .ico, which is the icon extension, or you can do the following, which will allow you to convert it. So you can open up, for example, a program like Photopea over here, which allows you to basically export as ICO. So I'm going to just drag and drop a random image over here. There we go. It's a random PNG. You can go to File up top, and you can do this with any image. You could also go to Google and search for like a PNG to ICO converters or something like that. They do exist. Just make sure you get your icon in the ICO format. And then again, you want to go to Export As, More, and then here you want to do ICO, and then it's going to give you the preview. This looks a bit weird, so I'm going to link this and try with 400, and doesn't look good, so I'm going to do 300 over here. It's a bit better. Let me do 200 actually, and there we go. As you can see, this now looks good. Now, of course, you can go ahead and put it to whatever size you want, and then I'm going to click Save here, and it's going to get downloaded to my Downloads folder. Now, let me move this away here. There we go. You can then go to Change Icon again, click on Browse, and then if you go under Downloads here, as you can see, it's now showing. I can click on it, press Open, and then press OK, apply, and OK again. And there we go. As you can see, my icon of my shortcut has now been changed. So those are the ways of how we can do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.